Let's check the news from AWS. Amazon CloudWatch Database Insights is now available in AWS GovCloud regions, providing a database observability solution for DevOps engineers, application developers, and database administrators to expedite database troubleshooting and gain a holistic view into their database fleet health. Database Insights offers a curated experience designed specifically for the needs of users in the AWS GovCloud regions. The service consolidates logs and metrics from applications, databases, and operating systems into a unified view in the console, providing a comprehensive understanding of database fleets and instance-level analysis. With Database Insights, application developers can correlate the impact of database dependencies with the performance and availability of their business-critical applications. This allows for root cause analysis and improved troubleshooting capabilities. Users can get started with Database Insights by enabling it on their Aurora and RDS clusters using the Service Consoles, AWS APIs, and SDKs. The service delivers database health monitoring aggregated at the fleet level, as well as instance-level dashboards for detailed database and SQL query analysis. Database Insights is available in the AWS GovCloud regions, with a new vCPU-based pricing model that can be found on the pricing page. For further information, users are directed to visit the Database Insights documentation. Amazon Bedrock Guardrails has announced policy-based enforcement capabilities for responsible AI, enabling customers to apply specific guardrails to model inference calls. This ensures that responsible AI policies are consistently applied across all AI interactions. By configuring safeguards and filters, customers can detect and filter undesirable content, topic filters to define and disallow specific topics, sensitive information filters to redact personally identifiable information, word filters to block specific words, and detect model hallucinations by detecting grounding and relevance of model responses. Additionally, automated reasoning checks enable the identification, correction, and explanation of factual claims in model responses. The new feature provides a consistent user experience and standardizes safety and privacy controls across any foundation model, including those hosted with Amazon Bedrock, self-hosted models, and third-party models outside Bedrock using the ApplyGuardrail API. AWS WAF now supports URI fragment field matching, enabling customers to match against the URI fragment along with the already supported URI path. This feature allows customers to create rules that inspect and match against the content of the URI fragment within the URI path. Customers can use this feature to target security controls, such as blocking access to sensitive areas, detecting unauthorized access attempts, and implementing enhanced bot detection by analyzing fragment patterns used by malicious actors. There is no additional cost for this feature, but standard WAF charges still apply. For more information about pricing, customers can visit the AWS WAF pricing page. This feature is available in all AWS regions where WAF is available for all supported origins. AWS Firewall Manager is now available in the AWS Asia Pacific and AWS Mexico regions. This expansion brings the total number of regions where AWS Firewall Manager is available to 34 AWS commercial regions, including its existing availability in 32 other regions. As a security management service, AWS Firewall Manager enables customers to centrally configure and manage firewall rules across their accounts and resources. With this new availability, customers can now manage AWS WAF rules, AWS Shield Advanced Protections, AWS Network Firewall, R53 Resolver DNS Firewall, and VPC security groups across their entire AWS organizations. AWS Firewall Manager makes it easier for customers to ensure that all firewall rules are consistently enforced and compliant, even as new accounts and resources are created. Amazon CloudWatch RUM now supports monitoring multiple domains with a single app monitor. This allows customers to unify real user monitoring across multiple domains in CloudWatch RUM. Customers can specify a list of domains and use wildcards for top-level domains to monitor all their front-end applications together. This enhancement is particularly useful for web applications that need to be accessible from different domains due to various reasons such as user locations, domain migrations, or other development needs. It simplifies observability by displaying all real user data of the application on a single RUM dashboard. Customers can now monitor different second-level domains, such as example.com and another.com, without creating separate monitors for each domain. Additionally, wildcard support for TLDs allows customers to monitor all variants of a domain, such as example. Or example.co. Without manually specifying each one. CloudWatch RUM now supports JavaScript source maps, enabling developers to monitor real user interactions and diagnose front-end performance issues more effectively. This feature allows for the conversion of minified JavaScript errors in the stack trace into readable formats, facilitating faster error resolution. With this enhancement, front-end developers and DevOps teams can view searchable, human-readable JS errors and quickly identify the exact location of errors in their original source code. This is particularly helpful when debugging issues that occur in production environments, where minified code can be challenging to work with. By leveraging customer-uploaded source maps, CloudWatch RUM can trace back errors to their original code, making it easier to analyze trends and correlate issues across multiple sessions. This enables faster detection and prioritization of recurring errors, ultimately reducing the time and effort required for debugging and issue resolution. AWS Client VPN has increased its quotas for route associations and authorization rules. The expansion allows for up to 100 routes per target network association and 200 authorization rules per endpoint. This increase provides greater flexibility and control over network traffic flows, particularly beneficial for enterprises with distributed architectures. With these enhanced quotas, organizations can define specific routing paths for multiple subnets across development, staging, and production environments. These new quotas are the default configurations and can be adjusted to a higher limit as well. AWS announces the next generation of Amazon Connect, where powerful AI turns every customer touchpoint into a deeper relationship and better outcome. This comprehensive approach improves every customer interaction by leveraging artificial intelligence to analyze and enhance conversations. As part of this new generation, self-service capabilities enable customers to quickly find answers and resolve issues on their own, freeing up agents to focus on more complex queries. Additionally, AI-assisted agent assistance ensures that human representatives have the insights they need to provide personalized support. The next generation of Amazon Connect also includes advanced analytics, allowing organizations to gain valuable insights into customer behavior and preferences. This data can be used to refine interactions, identify areas for improvement, and optimize overall customer experience. Furthermore, post-contact evaluation and automated follow-up capabilities enable businesses to assess the effectiveness of their interactions and proactively respond to customer needs. By leveraging these features, organizations can boost sales, delight customers, and drive long-term loyalty. Importantly, this next generation of Amazon Connect is available in a single click, eliminating the need for complex setup or costly upgrades. Unlimited use of AI capabilities means that businesses can focus on making customer experience improvements without worrying about cost-driven compromises. The new generation of Amazon Connect is now available in the US and allowing organizations to take advantage of its powerful AI capabilities and start driving better outcomes for their customers today. To learn more, interested parties can visit AWS's launch blog, documentation, and pricing page. Amazon DynamoDB Accelerator SDK for Go version 2 is now available, offering a modular architecture that improves developer productivity. The new DAX SDK for Go v2 is compatible with AWS SDK for Go v2 and provides features that boost read performance by up to 10 times at millions of requests per second. Amazon DynamoDB Accelerator SDK for JavaScript version 3 is now available, offering accelerated access to DynamoDB with minimal configuration changes. You can use this new DAX SDK to build JavaScript applications that benefit from in-memory caching for DynamoDB, which can boost read performance by up to 10 times, even at millions of requests per second. DAX is a fully managed, highly available service, making it easy to provision and update your client to use the new DAX SDK without requiring changes to your application logic. PySpark available in AWS Clean Rooms enables companies to run sophisticated analytics across large datasets using PySpark, the Python API for Apache Spark. This allows companies and their partners to bring PySpark code and libraries into an AWS Clean Rooms collaboration and run advanced analyses without sharing underlying data or proprietary analysis methods. For instance, an advertising measurement provider can use PySpark in AWS Clean Rooms to run custom algorithms across multiple publisher datasets simultaneously to measure ad effectiveness without revealing their proprietary data. Similarly, a pharmaceutical company can leverage PySpark in AWS Clean Rooms to evaluate drug adherence across clinical trials by running their proprietary algorithms and libraries across multiple healthcare provider datasets with appropriate patient consent. Amazon EC2 C7i Flex and M7i Flex instances are now available in additional AWS regions, offering improved performance and price-performance benefits for a range of workloads. These custom instances, powered by 4th-gen Intel Xeon scalable processors, provide up to 15% better performance compared to comparable x86-based Intel processors used by other cloud providers. This makes them an attractive option for general-purpose and compute-intensive applications that don't fully utilize all available compute resources. The C7i Flex instances are a great choice for applications such as web and application servers, virtual desktops, batch processing, microservices, databases, caches, and more. They offer the most common instance sizes, from large to 16s large, providing flexibility and scalability. M7i Flex instances are also available in additional AWS regions, offering similar benefits and performance improvements. These instances are ideal for workloads that require larger instance sizes or continuous high CPU usage. The availability of C7i Flex and M7i Flex instances in additional AWS regions provides customers with greater flexibility and choice when selecting the right instance type for their specific workload needs. AWS Private Link now supports native cross-region connectivity in Canada West, Middle East, and Asia Pacific regions. This enables customers to connect to VPC endpoint services hosted in other AWS regions within the same AWS partition over interface endpoints. You can enable access to your VPCE service for customers in all existing and upcoming AWS regions without setting up additional infrastructure in each region. As a result, you can privately connect to VPCE services in other regions without requiring cross-region peering or exposing data over the public internet. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel for more and hit the bell icon to be notified as soon as we upload. Please leave a comment if you have any thoughts or suggestions, and, if you think this video is worth sharing with someone who could benefit from it, please forward a link to them. See you next time. Thanks for watching.